To set up the PlayStation Portal for remote play away from home, first ensure your PS5 is updated to the latest firmware and has remote play enabled. Next, you'll need a stable internet connection. Minimum 5 meg per upload download is required, but 15 plus Mbps is recommended for 1080p 60 FPS streaming. On your portal, connect to Wi-Fi or hotspot, sign into your PlayStation account, and pair with your PS5 by scanning a QR code or entering a PIN shown on your PS5 screen. Pack a charger for longer sessions and use the connection test tool from the 2025 app update to test your connection before starting a session. If you experience lag or connection issues with the PlayStation Portal, start by restarting both your Portal and PS5. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches. Next, ensure both devices have the latest firmware updates. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems and reduce performance. For Wi-Fi connections, switch to a 5 GHz network if available. It offers faster speeds and less interference compared to 2.4 GHz. To improve connection stability, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This wired connection provides the most reliable performance. When using a mobile hotspot, be mindful of data usage. Remote play can consume significant bandwidth, so monitor your data plan. If network restrictions are an issue, a VPN can help bypass them, but it may increase latency. Use cautiously for gaming. Remote play relies on streaming, so a consistently strong and stable internet connection is crucial. Test your speeds regularly for optimal performance. As of 2026, the average latency on 5G networks is around 12 milliseconds, according to FCC tests. Aim for connections that achieve similar low latency for the best experience.